Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick guide I'll show you how to use the Doordash app to start earning money efficiently. Let us begin. So firstly guys, of course you need to download the application depending on which kind of phone you have, Android or iPhone. After that, once installed, to open the app and log in with your Dasher account. If you're new, follow the steps to complete the sign-up process, including background checks and payments setup. After that, once logged in, tap the Dash Now button if available, or schedule a time slot in advance. Make sure you're in a hotspot area marked red on the map to get more orders. When an order appears, you'll see the restaurant, estimated pay, and delivery distance. Tap Accept if it looks good. After acceptance, follow the in-app navigation to the restaurant. At the restaurant, just confirm the order details, then tap Picked Up in the app. Always double check the items before leaving. Follow the app's navigation to the customer's address. Once there, follow the delivery instructions. Some may request contactless drop-off. After completing the delivery, tap Delivered to finish. Your earnings for each order will be shown immediately after delivery. Tips may update later, so keep an eye out on Earnings tab for the final total. And that's it. With these tips, you're ready to start delivering with confidence. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.